everyone, and welcome to my channel, Sincerely Jacqueline DIY. Today I have a few Christmas DIYs for you using dollar store items. I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you like this video, please subscribe, hit the alarm button, and comment below which DIY was your favorite. The first DIY is a gnome, and you can use any color string or yarn that you want. You're gonna need some wooden hoops, and I use some macrame yarn from the Dollar Tree for the beard. Need to add the yarn onto the wooden hoop, and this is creating the beard of your gnome. The hat, I'm just taking a toilet roll and cutting it in this small cylinder shape, and I'm gonna add the gray yarn to the toilet roll using the same technique I used to add the beard to the wooden hoop. Once you've completed everything, I'm just going to take some extra string and tie the top of the hat to make a pom-pom. And then I'm going to trim off the excess yarn. Take is a wooden spear, small one, or a wooden bead, and I'm gonna glue it to the beard to make it look like the gnome's nose. Add a little mustache, so I just cut a little piece of the macrame yarn and gluing it to the nose area. Lastly, I'm going to trim the beard. realized that I needed to hang the gnome. So I undid the part of the hat and fed some twine to the wooden hoop. DIY number 2 is making these reindeer candle holders. They actually came in a silver color, and all I did was spray paint the reindeers and then sealed them with a clear top coat. And then I added this flameless candle. DIY number 3 are these really adorable Christmas lanterns. So this is what they come looking like at the Dollar Tree, and they come in a few colors, I think green and red. I did not like the green, so I decided to spray paint mine black and then gold. So in order to protect the inside, I just took some Bristol board and I cut it to size and stuck it into the lantern. Baby, this year it's just gonna be. Now you can paint your lantern black. I decided to first paint it black and then paint it gold just for a little bit of dimension. So this is what it looks like, then painted gold. But you can always paint it whatever color you like. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Then I use these chopping boards at the Dollar Tree, and I cut them to size of my lantern. Making our Christmas memories. I've been wrapping presents for you. I've been hanging marbles in the tree, and I've lit my house with Christmas lights. So you should come back home to me. And when we wake up in the morning, I'm gonna play those carols that you love. We'll be singing all the melodies until the sun comes up. These are the good times with you. So to attach the cutting board, plastic cutting board to the lantern, I just used some super glue, and then I taped the area for it to dry. Making our Christmas memories, oh, and I've been longing to hold you close. Forget about everyone else. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories, oh, oh, la 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 la, oh, 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 la 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 la, making our Christmas memories. Yes, these are the good times with you. Don't even care what we do if I spend it with you. Just you and nobody else. It's so good to see you again, to see you again. Baby, this year it's just gonna be you and me. a really cute Christmas lamp. To make it a little bit more exciting, I also glued on this little decorative Christmas floral. And here are all the DIYs. I really hope that you enjoyed this video. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button, please comment below, subscribe, and hit the bell button to be alerted for future videos that I put out. Thank you again for watching. Have a wonderful day.